standing in the doorway.
You know, you and Triangle probably get along great.
What? It's not my fault you're so easy to bully.
Just shut up and start looking around. This is probably going to take a while.
Found him.
What? No! No, no, no! No! Why'd it have to be you?
What is that thing?
It's me. A different me.
Oh, I see the resemblance.
But no, you don't. Why is he even here? He's not even from our universe. Why him? That's gross.
Yeah, there is no redemption for this guy. Can we just leave him here?
No, because we have to... Wait. Yeah, we can. Let's just leave him. Not again.
I'm not letting go anytime soon.
Just hang in there, Cole.
Oh, haha, very funny. Hey! Forget just leaving him here. I want vengeance.
Cole, where are you going?
Judgment is nigh.
Oh, everything was finally okay for once.
Green.
Cole, where do you run off?
Don't shush me. Don't do whatever that was either. You shut up, I'm trying to listen.
Listen for what?
What are these things? Skull crawlers. We have a few of these things back at home. Spit it out!
These guys are moving way too fast.
Try catching them when they jump at you like I did.
Okay. These guys are moving way too fast.
Try catching them when they jump at you like I did.
Okay.
Come here. There's a big one now.
What?
Ha Hey. Well, guess I'm the new monkey now. Never mind. I am so sorry. He was a good man. Or woman. I don't... Sorry, I can't tell what it is. It's just a pile of bones. Remember me? Monkey Strike! Yeah. Now who's this guy?
It's another me. There's a handful of them, but I'm still the best one.
Is there another me?
I really hope not. I got a bone to pick with you, buddy.
Yeah. Okay, can we leave before another me shows up?
Okay, so we're just gonna go back empty-handed?
No, we're gonna go help Triangle and Russell with their guy.
Guys, we are very